What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Shaq, man. We're back with another video, man. Today's video, we finna be changing the spark plugs. Y'all can currently see, finna be changing the spark plugs on my 2014 Chevy SS. They don't make no videos of these cars, so I'm finna be making all the videos on this car. On the long of the way. Like, I'm finna be making videos on how to change the headlights, on how to change the fog lights, on how to change the spark plugs. Pretty much everything on this car, I'm finna pretty much trying to do. That sounds really loud than a motherfucker. But I'm finna make videos on everything on this car, on how to change the rotors, everything. The side markers on this car, the tail lights, on everything on this car. Cause it is absolutely no fucking videos on this car. So yeah, we finna get the changing them. Alright, so first off, when y'all doing the spark plugs on these Chevy SS, you first want to take this off first. You want to wiggle it off first. But hold on, let me get my gloves right quick, motherfucker. God damn. Take them off like that. You can do one by one or however you want to do it. Me, since these motherfuckers hot, I'm gonna need these gloves. I just ain't trying to burn my goddamn self. You should always do the driver's side first. God damn. Oh shit. Bruh. Alright, y'all, so I got the first one off. Now, I just gotta get over here. Right here. Oh, snap, man. No, I'm gonna need an extension on this one. A baby extension. Let me see. All right, baby, we got the right one. Crazy, man, how you stick these bitches back in here. It's my first time ever changing these bitches. What the fuck, man? God damn it. Bruh, it ain't coming out, bruh. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so a little bit of struggle, but y'all get the picture. We on the second one. Finna go ahead and pull it out. Hold on, y'all, let me get around this one. That first one back in the, so I had to cut the camera off. And then next thing you know, once you get done putting this out, you do all of them the exact same. All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on now, let me see. Can I get this motherfucker out, boy? Lord. Oh yeah, it's finna be a bitch trying to get this one out. Hand twist this mug just to get this one out. It's almost out. I'm glad I got some rough ass hands, boy. And I'm glad I let this damn cock cool off, cause boy, I'd have been and burnt my damn self. Damn, I still ain't got that bitch out. That spark plug still hot, though. I know that. Hold on, y'all. Oh, my goddamn back hurting and some more shit. God damn it. What the hell? I hope I ain't tightening to you motherfuckers. I'm gonna be so pissed.
You good, baby?
I'm on the second one.
Huh?
I said I'm just now on the second one.
You need anything?
You?
Huh?
You?
Yeah?
Yeah.
On your face?
Yeah. Man, that air feels so good right now. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get this other one out.
5 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so we done got it done already. Got it done.